Naligo ako dahil birthday mo. Hi Mare, happy birthday! Huwag ka na magtaka bakit di ako nakatingin sa camera kasi ang awkward. Kanina pa ako nagvi-video, hindi na ako matapos-tapos. So, ayun lang. In-explain ko lang para hindi ako magmukhang tanga. Anyways, wish ko sa'yo, sana mahaba buhay mo. Oo nga, long life of course. And then, pakabait ka sa mga tao sa paligid mo, sa nanay mo, sa asawa mo, sa mga kaibigan mo. Lagi ka lang magpakabait kasi yun yung tama. And yun yung lagi ko naman tinuturo din sa'yo as a friend. And, enjoy your day. Sana napasaya ka namin. Kahit wala naman akong ambag. So, see you soon. I love you. Bye-bye.
Hi, Judy Ann. It's Tita Mel. I just want to say happy 30th birthday. And may you have many more to come. And I wish you good health. And I hope we'll see you soon here in Canada. Have a good time. Love you. Bye.
Hi Judy, happy birthday. May God bless you and may your heart desires come true this year and all your life. Love you.
Happy birthday.
Ate. Happy birthday, Bunso. Enjoy your day and we love you. I miss you.
May God give you only your heart's desire.
Sana maging masaya pa, masaya at maging maligaya ka sa buhay mo. Happy birthday, Judy.
Happy birthday, Judy.
Happy birthday, Judy.
Happy birthday.
Did you have a bad day? Come and have a good night. It's a house party at my house party at my house party house party at my house party at my house party house party at my house party at my house party house party at my house party at my house right now. Right now.
Hi, Be. Happy birthday, Judy Ann. Bunso. We might not say it a lot, but we're so proud that you're our daughter. Wishing you a year filled with everything you deserve. Happy birthday. We love you. Miss ka na ni Mama. God bless.
Hello, Jude. Happy birthday. Wishing you more birthdays to come. Lagi mong ingatan ang sarili mo dyan. At sana maging maligaya ka sa future mo. At ingat lagi.
Oh, love. Hi. Happy birthday, love. How are you? I miss you. I love you. I'll see you soon. Hindi ko alam sasabihin ko. Si Ange kasi namadali ako. Anyways, enjoy your day and have lots of fun. Don't drink too much maybe. And surprise! See you, love. I love you.